Hi guys, so I just got this brand new hair curling wand right here from a brand called ISA. It is really lightweight. I have their flat iron and it's amazing, so I wanted to try this guy out. I'm also using another thing, the Forbabs Static Free Hairbrush. My hair is not too staticky right now, but I wanted to mention it because it's really soft, again super lightweight, and it has these little static free sheets inside that you can use, and then almost like a lint sheet you can then just take off and replace. So I wanted to show you just how quick this hair curler works. So I'm wearing my heat protecting glove, and I also sprayed some protector in my hair beforehand. The hair protector spray I used is from Design Me, and it's their pre-blow dry spray. So I'm just putting a few really quick waves into my hair. I'm not segmenting it at all, just because I want to keep it really cash, and I'm in a rush. So I want to show you how it looks just with a few quick curls. I wanted to just stress the importance of that heat-proof glove because I recently did my hair without it and got a burn, so make sure to use a glove. I'll link one below. I got my hair cut recently and I have not really styled it much, so this makes me feel like a different person. It's also nice when your hair is kind of all one length. Like, I'm not going to get too far in. Like, I'm kind of just focusing more on the surface hair versus like not really going to worry too much about the hairs underneath. Then I'll just kind of put some spray and then brush it out afterwards. Just kind of leaving my bangs out because they are quite short. For each strand of hair, I hold for around 10 to 12 seconds. The swivel cord is amazing, and the fact that this is so lightweight, I have not had a more lightweight tool before. Like, it is just so simple, you know? And my hair straightener from ISA has lasted very well. It's a few years old now, and it's still amazing. So this hopefully will be the same. Has a few different heat settings as well. It heats from a gentle 170 degrees to a hot 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I reviewed the Hot Tools Curl Bar before on my channel, and that is still a really good tool, but I find this one is perfect for shorter hair because of the rounded tip and the fact that it is just so lightweight. And then let's make sure the back is done. I keep my wand at about 400 degrees just for the sake of time. I find it's always so hot in the summer, my hair never hangs on, so I'm gonna do a bit of my Colab dry shampoo. Oh, that got into my eye. This is the Colab active one, so it's especially good if you're feeling sweaty. I'm gonna be outside, so this is great. Perfect. I'm also going to use a bit of this Joico Shake Spray. It's kind of a liquid to powder, and it gives you some really good texture. Then just a shot at the roots of this Puff Me by Design Me, and this just gives you that like great texture. So I did the texture at the roots and then texture at the end with the Joico. Here we go. Okay, so final step is just a quick hit of Fashion Work 12, my favorite hairspray of all time. And then I'll just kind of finger brush any of the pieces that are too tight. So that's everything. This is my like 5-minute hair tutorial using the ISA curling wand. I love it. It's so easy for like a 5-second, you know, refresh. And would be really lightweight for travel too. So let me know if you've tried the brand, if you're interested in the product. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!